In 1932, Australia literally declared war on birds and lost. Yes, you heard that right. Let me explain. After World War I, Australian farmers were struggling. But their biggest problem? 20,000 emus invading their crops, eating everything in sight. These birds were unstoppable. So the government sent in the military, soldiers with machine guns versus birds. They fired 10,000 bullets. Guess how many emus they killed? Less than 1,000. The emus literally dodged bullets, split into smaller groups, and outsmarted trained soldiers. After just 6 days, the military gave up. The commanders said the emus were like Zulus, using guerrilla warfare tactics. Australia officially lost a war to flightless birds. The emus kept destroying crops for years. To this day, it's the most embarrassing military defeat in history. Nature, 1. Humans, 0. Follow for more insane history facts.